We're a giant family. We're always adventuring to new technologies, new solutions, new products.
Hello and welcome back to Klik TV, the place where we discuss how your business can benefit from technology, sharing our best tips and tricks for a better IT experience. My name is Paulina, and today I'm here with Dave Zimmerman. He is our Director of US Technical Operations at Klik Solutions. Hi Dave, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, thank you. Before anything else, could you please tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure, I moved to Baltimore, Maryland about 12 years ago. I used to live up in northern Pennsylvania. Came down here just for a change of scenery. I was kind of done with Pennsylvania. Found a close group of friends here in Fed Hill and just been working at home, remodeling my house and spending time on the Peloton.
Great, that's amazing. What is your role at Klik Solutions?
I am the Director of US Technical Operations. I oversee our pre-sales division and our projects teams and our technical services team that handles all level 3 escalations for the company.
Great. And what do you like the most about your job?
It's a tough question. I think it's mostly being able to have your hands in every aspect of the company, whether you're scoping out a project from beginning to getting that escalation of a client issue that is very difficult to figure out, and you just sit there and grind it out until you figure it out.
And how would you evaluate Klik's competency when it comes to technology?
For Klik, I've worked with several MSPs in the past, and I would say Klik is definitely on the cusp of the cutting edge. We're always adventuring to new technologies, new solutions, new products, and we're always finding ways that this specific solution is the best fit for this client. And it's something that we as an entire company adapt and continue to grow with the new technologies that we encounter.
Beautiful. You have worked for other IT companies before. What makes Klik different?
I've been with Klik for almost 3 years now, and what sets them out from anybody else is we're a giant family, very close-knit. We always can go to each other if we have issues, whether it's work-related, personal-related. Arthur, the owner of the company, is an amazing person to work for. Other MSPs, you couldn't even go into the owner's office to speak to him about something going on, or your views and opinions on how things should be changed within the company. And it's that kind of open door communication with this company that really makes it a great company to work for.
You're right. Thank you so much for being here with us today and giving us and our viewers insightful information about how Klik is different.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. If you want more information about our other services, please reach out to us at info@klik-solutions, or you can click on the link down below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see our new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.